We're dying from 1,000 cuts. The whole PBM's undercutting us, and I mean, we were at $4 a script at that point in time. So yeah, it was. I was in need of any kind of help I could get. So. It was both great. I mean, it was kind of a, aha kind of moment of learning, just, thinking in a different terms of, like you always thought, like, I guess I came from the old school of chain pharmacy thinking, percentages and things like that too. And I never really thought about the gross per script, aspect of it until that meeting, and was like light went on, and like, well, that's a more, that's what we need to kind of focus on to get right. So after that very first meeting, I went home and just, cranked it up, and it was just night and day. Within the first year, it was, like I said, we were at 4 something, per script at the time. And then I quickly made that into like about $15, $16, $17. So huge difference in the fact that I could actually reward them, at the time, monetarily, whatever, gift wise and things like that, make it kind of worthwhile for them, just to show my appreciation of what they do for it, so that, was huge in that regard. So. It forces you, her methods and everything like that she goes through, and all the things that she set up, forces you to look at your business from a different aspect, which you get those blinders on. You just look at, I need to, fill prescriptions and do this and do that or whatever, when there's so much more to it. I've known her, like I said, I've known her for quite some time now. And, I always look forward to, listening to her and hearing from her, and, bouncing things off of her when I need to. So, yeah.